Hey, so quick and easy way to remove clogs. If you run a 3D print farm or you've ever had 3D printers, you know that at some point you're going to get a filament clog in the hot end and you're going to need to remove it. So that's where this little product comes in. It looks just like this. It's a little poker and it has a little hex captive bolt. So that right there, that piece goes right into the handle. And it's captive, so it won't fall out again. So it's just like that. So here is what the box looks like. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Z-fow. I don't really know. That's what the box will look like. So here is how I would remove the filament that is stuck in the hot end on my A1. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the nozzle up to about 250 degrees Celsius. I'm going to let it get good and hot so I know that that's the melting temperature of the filament I'm looking for, or whatever I need to melt. You might have to adjust it based on the filament you're using. On the bamboo, I have an A1 with an AMS. So I'm going to pop off this little piece right here and set that off to the side. Yours may be a little bit different, but either way, you're going to have to get to where the filament is actually stuck from the top. Now on the bamboo, there's a little spring right here. It's magnet. I'm going to put it right there so I remember to come back, and I set my tool off to the side. Now, this little poker will fit straight down, but I can't go any further because on the A1 there's a little captive lever here that you have to push, and then if you notice I can push this all the way down, and if you pay attention right there, maybe a little hard to see on the video, I'm going to poke all of that filament that's stuck all the way out, and it's still squeezing out, squeezing out, squeezing out. You might be able to see it on the plate there. Okay, I'm going to pull this back, and I'm going to do it one more time just for good measure. All right, and I'm going to pull this back out. And the nozzle, you can see right here, let's see, move that out of the way. You can kind of see that this nozzle is the right length here to go all the way through the hot end, and then it has a little, I don't know, it's a little thicker right there so that it won't go all the way through. But, oh, it's already, there you go. So that was, I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but that's what came out when I cleared the clog. Then you just put your piece back together and you are off to working. So really that is maybe a 10-second clog repair, clog unfix. So this is the box, comes very nice, very easy to use. And of course, you know the deal. Down in the comments will be, or down in the description will be all the links and all that kind of stuff. And I hope that helps you out. If this does help you out, please leave a comment. Or what is your way to unclog your 3D printer? Put that down below.